This is where we're going to change from the book Think and Grow Rich. Instead of saying I am awaiting a plan, you're going to say I have a plan. I have a plan by which to accumulate this money, and I will follow that plan faithfully. Now, what we're doing now is being very specific when it comes to a written goal. Now, write this down verbatim the way you're seeing on the screen, the way I've read it, whether you're on our conference call listening, you want to write it down. And if you would like a sample of it, go to the book Think and Grow Rich. If you want to buy a copy, call our office, and it's $25 including shipping. Or get the one that I've downloaded for you, or that you can download. That's the same book, and it's electronic, it's a digital version. And study, I think, if you're in my book, I think it's on page 94. Let me check for sure. Yeah, on page 94 of my book on Think and Grow Rich with myself and Napoleon Hill, that's where it goes into setting your goal. If you have a written goal and you repeat it every morning and every night, and you start the visualization exercises, you will reach your goal. You can't help but do it because the laws of success and the laws of the universe are in place, and they will work for you. Now let's kind of review what we'll do. There's a 6-step plan by which you have to follow to become successful. And we went through each of them. Well, number one, you need to know where you're going. You need to pick a date. You need to decide what you're going to do. We went through all the steps now. We need to write our goal. What are we going to give for it? We need to start saying it out loud.